Hey guys, it's Alan here again, your tech guide. Welcome back to my channel. Usually I don't really post up any other product besides smart watches, but this one is exceptional because this product is amazing. I was testing this out today earlier on my stairwell. I just did one step and one landing, and I was surprised how much dust it collected that I had to immediately make this video. So this product is from Dreamtech. It is called Dream PT Pro Cordless Stick Vacuum. The specification on this, it is rated power of 410 watts. It's got a battery capacity of 2500 milliamp. The charging hour usually will take roughly around 3 hours from 0 to 100%. And it should last you approximately 1 hour. The filter is washable, so you don't have to purchase any filter, which is always nice to have. And the suction pressure, it is 22 kPa, and the suction power is 130 AW. What comes inside the package? You have the nozzle with the brush, which you could adjust or move up and down. You have a mini motorized brush. Okay, you have your locking mechanism right there, which you can unlock it and remove it and clean the brush when it gets all filthy or there's any hair stuck on it. And you have your wall mounting for the vacuum, so you could mount the vacuum on the wall. And you have this mounting wall again for the extension rod or tube. And of course you have the screws to mount it on the wall. So I just finished charging it. It took me around 2 hours. And here is the vacuum. As you can see, the dustbin is already quite dirty because I was vacuuming earlier. To take this apart, let me just undo this. It's got a button here to lock it in place. It's quite easy to disassemble. You just have to press the button and pull it out. Hold on, guys. Like so. And same thing on the bottom here. If you wanna vacuum the couch or your car seat, you could use this tip. Use that for extension, or you can remove this long tube. Okay, and use it as this. So it's more portable and easy to use. So for the settings, you've got all the settings there. It's really easy to use. You got the power, what is that called? Echo, medium and high. To change it, you just press the button. Okay, that's 1, and then 2. And then high. And then you've got your battery indicator there, and your dustbin is right here. You just have to unlock it, press the button over here, and pull it out. So there is your filter. You just have to wash it and change it within, I think, 4 to 6 months. Rinse it with water, dry it, and it should be good to go. So as you can see, I've collected quite a bit of dust already earlier. So I'm gonna try to empty that. Okay, and then we'll start from scratch. I'm gonna vacuum the whole stairwells and one more landing to go. Okay, so it is completely empty. You guys could take a look at it. So we're gonna vacuum, put this all together. Quite easy to put together. And this whole entire setup, it is quite light, guys. Hold on, that wasn't properly inserted there. So like again, what I said before, I usually don't showcase any product that is not worth showing, because this channel is meant to be just smartwatches, but this one is exceptional because the product is amazing, guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys the motorized brush. This is the motorized brush right here. This thing spins, and you could unlock it to clean the brush. And as you can see, the swivel here, it swivels pretty much any direction, guys. So let me try to power on so you guys could see the brush spinning. Okay. All right. So this thing works with hardwood, on hardwood, tiles, and carpet. It's got a protection there so that your carpet doesn't damage, and then it's got a roller on the front area. Okay, you can see there, very light, guys. Okay, so now we're gonna test this on the carpet. That's the one I'm really looking forward to, because I don't know when was the last time we vacuumed the carpet with a good vacuum cleaner. We have a vacuum cleaner, but it is quite cheap, so I don't think it probably suck all the dust beneath the carpet. So this will be a good test to really see how strong this vacuum can actually suck those dust beneath. And also, I've been using our D-Bot vacuum cleaner there, and that's what we've been using mainly on the carpet. And I noticed already when I did the landing that it didn't pick up that much. And when we saw the outcome with all the dust, debris that it picked up, we were quite shocked. So we're gonna go downstairs, start from first main ground, and then all the way to the 3rd floor. We're here in the main floor. We're gonna vacuum each steps, and then the landing, and then another steps, and then landing and a couple more steps, okay? So check out this dust container. You will see all the dust cycling around here, guys. So here we go. But I just want to show you guys how strong the suctioning of this vacuum. As you can see here, this is my blind. I'm going to try to suction it. Wait, hold on. Check that out, guys. See, that's how strong it is. The base. Okay, so you have an idea how strong this vacuum suctioning is. Oh wow, I didn't expect that to happen, guys. I was just looking at the battery, and we are at, what is that, 3 bar left? I don't know if that's what I'm seeing. So it does really affect if you have your setting too high. It really affects the battery life. I will continue to vacuum the rest. I want to see how long it will last. But if that's the case, if the battery drains very quickly on high mode, I don't know. It looks like that 1 hour statement that they have, I think that might be in an eco mode on number 1. But if this is the case, if we can't use on high mode and then the battery just dies out like that, I don't know what to say about this vacuum. But right now it's doing everything what it's supposed to do. The battery is somewhat but we'll see where I'm gonna end up. All right, so I got a couple more stairs, and then we're gonna go from there, and then I'm gonna keep you guys posted where the battery's at and how much dust we have collected. Okay guys, so there you have it. The battery just died on me. I need to charge it now. So that didn't even last for what, maybe 10 to 15 minutes. I didn't even expect that. I thought we're gonna expect to get the 1 hour as what they stated. It looks like you have to put it on number 1 to get that performance. But as you can see, it's starting to warm up on the battery compartment, and you know, the vacuum is doing amazingly well. As you can see what it collected so far. It could have collected more if we had plenty more battery on it, but it's not the case, guys. So let's go downstairs. We'll check out the dust. See, as you can see, I still have 1 more stairs to go there, and it would have been finished in the landing right here. We just made it downstairs on 2nd floor and halfway to the 3rd floor. So I just wish that the company, sometimes they give us the right performance rating on the battery instead of just, you know, having it rounded off that this is what you're expected to get in a low setting. I wish they had it set up on a high setting spec performance so that we really know what to get in real world tests. It's just disappointing of having that high power performance, and next thing you know, you can't even utilize it because the battery just is not enough to perform the task. So let me grab a plane of paper over here. Okay, we're gonna empty this out so we can see how much dust we have collected. Wow. Okay, take a closer look at it. It is pretty much completely full. Okay. Check, oh my God, that's a lot. Look at that, guys. That is disgusting. Hair and pile of dust collected. So I'm gonna grab a plain piece of paper here. I'm gonna dump it out so you guys could really see what we have collected. Look at that. That is disgusting, guys. So imagine breathing this on a daily basis. This is how we get sick. Check that out. That is a lot. So performance-wise, the vacuum is amazing, okay? It's lightweight. It comes with all the accessories that you need. You don't need to buy and purchase a filter. It's just lacking of the battery. If you could tolerate that, go ahead. I'll put a link on the description below where you could purchase it. But if you don't have the juice to power up the performance, it's kind of hard to justify this vacuum, guys. But I'm just showing you guys in real world what this vacuum can actually do. So take a closer look. That is disgusting. So definitely need a high performance vacuum. Like again, we've been using a cheap vacuum and this is what it didn't pick up. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any other questions or video requests that you want me to do, just leave me a comment down below. And once again, guys, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
That's my secret.